Stretch marks is caused when the body grows very fast and your skin cannot stretch enough to keep up. It begins to tear. This happens as a result of pregnancy, puberty, and even steroids. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this DIY cream that I'm going to use to get rid of stretch marks just from the comfort of your home. Hi fam, welcome back to the channel. You see your favorite girl Choma here, your queen of DIYs. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY body cream that will help to get rid of stretch marks from your skin forever. As you can see, our first ingredient is Vaseline. Why are we using Vaseline first? Vaseline petroleum jelly helps to lock in moisture to the skin, and moisture is needed to maintain skin elasticity, and it helps to keep skin moisturized, and moisturization is one of the first approach to use to tackle stretch marks. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of my Vaseline for this mixture. Vaseline is a key ingredient to use because it helps to lock in moisture to the skin. Any cream you are using and it doesn't keep your skin moisturized 24 hours, then you need to quit using it, especially if you want to treat stretch marks, because this is one of the key ingredients that helps to tackle stretch marks from the skin. Keeping your skin moisturized and hydrated is a key factor when it comes to treating stretch marks. You can see how moisturized and shiny just applying Vaseline on my hands has made it look. So our next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is rich in nutrients, enzymes, and vitamins that helps to improve the elasticity of the skin. Aloe vera has healing properties and it helps with stretch marks prevention and fading. Aloe vera helps to heal the skin. Aloe vera helps to soothe in inflammation. It has anti-inflammatory properties because one of the reasons that could cause stretch mark is inflammation. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil is a very potent ingredient not to miss out for your ingredient when you want to treat stretch mark. Coconut oil helps to heal the skin very fast. It has healing properties inside of it. Our next ingredient is honey. Honey too is a very strong and important ingredient not to miss out when you want to tackle stretch marks on your skin. Honey is used for moisturizing and tightening the skin. This honey is a key factor. It helps to improve skin elasticity. Anything that will help to make you lose your skin elasticity will give you stretch mark. That is why using excessive steroids on your skin is a no. It only attracts stretch marks on your skin. Honey helps to reduce every appearance of stretch marks and fade them very quickly. It is a key factor. This is a natural factor to use when you want to treat stretch mark on your skin. But using just honey alone will not give you a visible result. That is why you have to incorporate it with Vaseline petroleum jelly, coconut oil, aloe vera, and then honey. So after getting all this mixture together, you're going to mix it thoroughly, mix it evenly till they are infused inside of each other. This cream is infused with moisturizing properties a lot. You can see how moisturized and also hydrated my skin feels after applying it on your skin. So the next thing I'm going to do is to turn it in my container. So I'm going to be using this container right now to put my DIY cream. So because I really want it to last long, like improve the shelf life, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. You know, it can be very thick and give me that thick consistency, and it can last very well for me. So guys, our DIY stretch mark cream is ready. So how do you apply it? You apply it morning and night before you go to bed. You do not wash it off, okay? You do not wash it off. You apply it on the area you have the stretch marks, and you're going to see your visible results. You do this for a couple of weeks or even a month, and trust me, your stretch mark is going to gradually fade away. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you guys so much for joining me and sticking with me to the end. I'm pretty sure you found this video really helpful. Please do well to give this video a like, subscribe, and share to friends. Anyone you know that's battling with stretch mark, please do well to share this video with them. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.